Also discuss little bit about the software functional, structural and transitional quality factors. In this lecture we will talk about the software quality assurance components. Basically this lecture is very important because it is giving you a comprehensive view of all the software quality approaches and the methods or the techniques we will be using throughout this course. We will talk about various components of software quality assurance in this lecture. We will classify the different software quality assurance components and the tasks which will be carried on during each component, and lastly we will talk about different factors which are affecting on the SQA components to be integrated or to be implemented in the software development cycle. I would rather like to start from making you understand probably the basic building blocks of an entire SQA system architecture. It is also known as SQA temple. Here we go with the SQA temple, but before switching to that diagram, I will like to define the components of the SQA. This is a set of components that ensure the quality by all the aspects and by all the approaches to maintain the quality in the software. These components can be classified into the 6 basic classes, and these classes are pre-project components and the software project lifecycle component, infrastructure component for error avoidance and improvements. Similarly, the management SQA component which will focus on the managerial aspects of quality maintenance in a product or a service. And at number 5 we will talk about SQA standards, which are essential, some manuals and some guidelines and certifications which are required to improve the quality or to embed the quality in the software product. And finally we will talk about organizing for software quality assurance. This will be giving the human component of software quality assurance. So let's move to the software quality temple. At the top of the temple is the pre-project SQA components that includes contract view and the project development plan. So basically this will be giving the idea about the resources required for maintaining the quality, and below that there is project life cycle SQA components including formal design review at the leftmost, and then the peer reviews, expert opinions, similarly software testing, and then the software maintenance and the external participants which are expected to be coordinated in entire software development life cycle. So below that there is quality infrastructure. It is giving you to minimize the likelihood of the project schedule and the budget failure and their outcomes. And after that we can see about the quality management, but before quality management we will talk about the different procedures, supporting devices and training instructions, and the preventive actions which will be taken to avoid or to mitigate different errors in the software defects, which will be later discussed in some other lecture. The configuration management and the document control. So next is about the quality management, the project progress control, software quality metrics, and the cost of the quality.